does not need to be complicated or expensive. These 5 simple ideas for activities for a 1-month-old baby can be set up at home and adapted to your baby's cues. Welcome! In this video, we are exploring activities for a 1-month-old baby. At 1 month, the most valuable activities are brief, gentle, and centered on a caregiver's face, voice, touch, and support. The goal is not to make a baby perform on command. It is to create short, safe opportunities for connection, movement, communication, and discovery. Every baby develops at a different pace, so use the ideas that match your baby's current abilities and ignore any activity that does not feel right today. All play in this video should happen while the baby is awake and under close adult supervision. Stop when the baby turns away, becomes very fussy, stiffens, cries, or looks tired. This video is general education and cannot replace advice from your child's doctor or another qualified health professional. First, face-to-face conversation. Hold your baby comfortably about 20 to 30 centimeters from your face. Smile, raise your eyebrows, open your mouth, and speak in short, warm sentences. Pause after each sentence as though you are waiting for an answer. Human faces and voices are naturally interesting to babies. This simple back and forth supports attention, early communication, emotional connection, and the idea that sounds can carry meaning. For a younger baby, keep the session very short. For an older baby, copy their cues, add simple words, and wait to see whether they copy you back. Safety reminder. Support the head and neck when needed. Keep your movements gentle and stop when your baby turns away, stiffens, yawns repeatedly, or becomes fussy. Next, slow high contrast tracking. Use a simple black and white card, a bold patterned cloth, or a large toy with clear contrast. Hold it where your baby can see it. Wait for their eyes to settle, and then move it slowly from the center toward one side and back. Slow visual tracking gives the eyes and brain a manageable target. It can support attention and help babies practice following a moving object without overwhelming them with too many colors or fast movements. Begin with only a small side-to-side movement. As your baby becomes more interested, add a gentle up and down path or a slow semicircle. Safety reminder. Keep the object out of reach if it is not designed for mouthing. Never shine bright lights into the eyes, and stop if your baby looks tired or repeatedly turns away. For the third activity, tummy time on your chest. Recline slightly while fully awake and place your baby tummy down on your chest. Keep one hand ready for support. Bring your face close and talk or sing so your baby has a reason to lift or turn the head. This is a gentle introduction to tummy time. It can support the neck, shoulder, and upper body muscles while giving your baby the comfort of your voice, warmth, and familiar face. Start with a few calm moments and repeat several times during the day. Gradually increase the time only when your baby is comfortable and alert. Safety reminder. This activity is only for awake, closely supervised play. Never do it when you might fall asleep, and always place your baby on the back for sleep on a safe, clear sleep surface. Activity number 4 is gentle touch and body naming. During a calm, awake moment, softly touch one body part at a time and name it. Hands, feet, tummy, shoulders, and cheeks. Use a steady voice and wait for your baby's reaction before moving on. Gentle, predictable touch can support bonding and body awareness. Hearing the same simple words during daily routines also gives babies repeated exposure to language. For older babies, add a short rhyme or ask, "Where are your toes?" before touching them. Let the baby reach for your hands when interested. Safety reminder. Use light pressure, avoid irritated skin, And stop if your baby pulls away, cries, arches, or seems overstimulated. Finally, supported side-lying play. Lay your baby on one side on a firm play mat while you stay beside them. Support the back with your hand and bring the hands together near the center. Offer your finger or a soft, age-appropriate toy to look at or touch. Side-lying reduces the work of gravity and can make it easier for young babies to bring their hands together. Notice both sides of the body and practice early reaching. Try both sides for short periods. As your baby gains control, place a toy just in front of the hands and allow time to explore without rushing. Safety reminder. This is an awake play position only. Keep the face clear. Supervise continuously and return your baby to the back if they become tired or uncomfortable. Before we finish, remember the safety basics. Use a firm, clear floor space whenever possible. Keep small objects, loose batteries, strong magnets, water beads, plastic bags, long cords, hot items, and breakable objects completely out of reach. Never leave a baby alone around water, even for a moment. Tummy time is for awake, supervised play only. Safe sleep happens on the back on a clear, appropriate sleep surface. Do not force sitting, crawling, standing, or walking, and do not use a seated baby walker. For babies who are not yet mobile, floor-based play and supervised tummy time can be spread across the day in short sessions. If your baby loses a skill they previously had, is not meeting milestones, or you have any concern about development, speak with the baby's healthcare professional. Choose one or two ideas and repeat them during calm awake periods instead of trying everything at once. Babies learn through warm interaction and repetition, not through complicated equipment. Save this video for your next play session and subscribe for more simple, age-aware baby activity guides.